Hello, traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video, I am going to be sharing one of the most powerful Forex trading non-repaint Metatrader for indicator, are used in almost all markets. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. Guys, at the end of the video, I will tell you a quick tips on how to increase the winning ratio on this indicator, so must watch the video till the end. So let's start now. Trading rules are very simple. When red dot circle appears on chart, take a sell trade, and when white dot circle appears on chart, take a buy trade. Stop loss will be previous swing high low point, and taken profit will be 1:1 risk-reward ratio. Here I am select, day 1 timeframe. Here all 3 sell trade setup are in profit as per our recommendations. And out of 5 buy trade setup, for trade are in profit as per our recommendations. Only 1 trade are in loss. Reduce the loss trade risk, I will recommended you to use SNR level for trade entry. Do not take sell trade near support level, and do not take buy trade near resistance level. As you can see here, buy white dot signal appear near resistance level, so avoid this type of signal to increase winning ratio. Now let's analyze 4-hour timeframe signals. Okay, here is interesting chart. Here out of 8 trades, only 3 trades are showing winning trades, and the remaining 5 trades are showing loss trades. Here we are seeing 5 trade loss because the trend is strong uptrend here, and that's why I always say don't take trade against the trend. Now let's analysis at 1-hour timeframe chart signals. Here out of 7 trades, only 2 trades are showing loss trades, and the remaining 5 trades are showing winning trades. So till now we have come to know that, out of 1 day, 4-hour and 1-hour timeframe, more accurate signals are found in 1-day timeframe. Let it go for more deep analysis. Once again let's analyze the signals of 1 day, 4-hour and 1-hour timeframe of other currency pair. Okay, in this chart, out of 8 trade, 4 trade are winning trade, and 4 trade are loss trade. To reduce the loss risk, we should avoid this 2 sell signals because sell signals appear near support level, and this one avoid sell signals due to strong uptrend. Now let's analysis 4-hour timeframe signals. Okay, here out of 10 trade 9 trade are in profit, and only 1 trade are in loss. Now let's analysis 1-day timeframe chart signals. Okay, here is out of 10 trade 7 trade are in profit, and 3 trade are in loss. In this currency pair more accurate signals are found in 4-hour timeframe. Now time to quick tips for increasing winning ratio and reduce loss signal risk. As per our indicator signal analysis, we have understood one thing, that when we take trade with the trend, then our winning ratio increases. So I recommend you to use the 100-period simple moving average indicator to identify the trend, while using the signals of this indicator. When the price is above the simple moving average, then only buy trade is to be taken, and when the price is below the simple moving average, then only sell trade is to be taken. And if those who do not want to use simple moving average, then use MACD indicator with default setting. When MACD bar is below 0 line, then only sell trade has to be taken, and when MACD bar is above 0 line, then only buy trade has to be taken. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you, and that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.